Module 8, lesson 1, multiply with tens. Are you ready? So first, we will solve something. So easy. Like number 1, draw an array to find 4 times 6. So we represent as point 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many? I draw 4 rows and 6 fields. There are 24. So if I multiply 6 by 4 by 6, it will be 24. Also, if I use the number line to find 3 times 4, so we can count from 1 to 3, 3 steps, another 3 steps, another 3, another 3. So this is my answer. So we draw 3. I draw 4 jumps of 3. At least jumps ends at 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Now multiply 4 by 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. 7 times 6, 42. 9 times 5, 45. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 10, put 0. And it will be 3 times 1, it will be 3. So 3 times 10, 30. I have 2 zeros, write 2 zeros, and 1 times 3 is 3. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 3 is 3. It will be 3,000. The same. So 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 50, I have 0 here, write the 0, and 45. So it will be 450. Write these 2 zeros, and 45. So it will be 4,500. I have 3 zeros, write 3 zeros. So, and write 45. So I have 45,000. 6 times 3, 18. Put 0, put 18, 180. Put 2 zeros. 3 times 6, 18. Put 3 zeros. And 3 times 6, 18 also. Now move to our lesson. The coding club uses a coding website that has 20 projects. Each project takes 24 steps to complete during a session. The club will complete all the projects. What is the multiplication strategy can you use to find out how many steps the club will work? So I have 20 projects and 24 steps. Okay, we'll solve this so simple, guys, as you see. So put 0, this 0, put this 0, and then multiply 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. So in simple way, this is your answer. So how many steps? 480. The coding club meets for 60 minutes each week for 16 weeks. How many minutes will they meet during the 16 period. How can you rename one of the factor using place value? Place value, guys, as we see, we can write 60. As you know, 60, it's 6 times 10, like that. I can rename this like that. So now we need to multiply 60 by 16. So this is my answer, 60 times 16. I can rename this as 10 times 6 times 16, like that. All of them the same. First one, put 0. 6 times 6, 36, right? 6 carry 3. And 1 times 6 is 6, and 3, it will be 9. So this is your answer. Here we can use associative property. So it will be 6 times 10 times 16. Put them in parentheses. So it will be 6 times 16 times 10, 160. So put 0. 6 times 6, 36. Right, 6 carry 3. 6 times 1, 6, and 3, it will be 9. So our answer is 960. It takes 12 lines of code to remove fracture through an obstacle course. Adrian wants to move 30 characters through the course. How many lines of code will she write? How can you find 30 times 12? Use different method. Use associative property of multiplication. How can you rename one of the factors as product of a number and 10? So first, as we know, the first number, we rename it. This number 30, we can write 30 as 3 times 10. So this it will be 3 times 10. This is the first step. Second step, use halving and doubling to find the product of each. So half, as we know, half it's 6. So we can multiply 3 times 30 times 6, put 0, and 3 times 6 is 80. And when we double this one, we need to multiply 2 times 180. So put 0, and 2 times 8, 16, right, 6 carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1, it will be 3. So our answer is 360. Check understanding. Choose the method to solve the problem. So contains 75. So how many paper clips are in a 20 box? So 20 times 75 is equal to, write 0 is 0, and 2 times 5 is 10. So write 0 carry 1. 2 times 7, 14, and 1, it will be 15. So this is our answer. Eva puts 70 rubber bands of each color in the container. She says she has 1,470 rubber bands. What strategy will you use to determine if she is correct? Why? So first we have to account this one. So this is 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we multiply 3 by 7, it will be 3 times 7 will be 21. So we have to multiply 70 times 21, so put 0, and 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 2 is 14. So the answer is 1,470. So this is correct. Open-ended, show how you can find the product. We have more ways for that. So one way enough. As we see, 15 times 90. So 15, we can expand this one like 10 plus 5 times 90. So this is equal to, it's 10 times 90 plus 5 times 90 also. So put 0, two zeros, 0 of 90 and 0 of 10. 1 times 10, 1 times 9 is 9. And this put 0. And 5 times 9 is 45. Add them. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. And the 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is possible answer. Millions of documents, thousands of hours of music, and as many as 25,000 photos can be stored on a 64 gigabyte flash drive. How many gigabytes of data can be stored on 20 flash drive? So this flash contains 64 gigabytes. So 64 times 20, we put 0, that's 0, 20. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 6 is 12. So we multiply 2 by everything. Multiply 80 by 29, put 0. 8 times 9, 72. Write 2, carry 7. 8 times 2, 16. And 7, it will be 23. Multiply 35 by 30, put 0. 3 times 5, 15. Write 5, carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 1, it will be 10. So it will be 1,050. 90 times 16, put 0. And 9 times 6 is 54. Write 4, carry 5. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5, it will be 14. Okay, thank you, guys.